Hey, how you guys doing out there? It's me, Elric, here once again on the Motherboards.org YouTube channel with my co-host today, Mr. ROG himself, JJ from ASUS. Now today, we're going to be bringing you another of our series of Techtorial videos. Today, we're going to be showing you something called network control. That's right, it's personal. I control the network. And with that said, let's jump in and take a look at this new technology.
So here we're in the network iControl interface, and essentially this is just going to be an easy way to work with the Intel LAN controller that we have on the motherboard to go ahead and give us optimized performance for different types of network-centric applications. So take for instance, we've got things like iTunes, right? That's very common. Maybe if you're using YouTube, right? For gamers out there, maybe you're using Steam, right? All these different applications all have what are called services. Right, so they actually show up here in the network iControl interface. And so take for instance, let's say we want to go ahead and select Hulu Desktop because we watch a lot of that. Maybe this is our HD PC system. So we can go ahead and just click on that and then click this up arrow key right here. And then from there we can go ahead and just click this little button to prioritize it. So now it's in H, so it's in high mode. So that means now this application is always going to receive the highest packet priority through our network interface.
Which means basically that if you were downloading or doing anything else, this thing's going to take first priority. It's going to allow its streaming to go above the others, correct?
Correct, and so we're going to get the best performance for that program. And you can go ahead and continue to add other programs in there as well. So if you want to go ahead and have Internet Explorer selected, you could go ahead and drop that in there. And you can even do scheduling. So like if you had a download management program, you could select it, and then let's say go ahead and then put high to that program, but maybe only have it executed like at midnight. So maybe you do the majority of your day web browsing, but then at night you have things downloading. You can go ahead and set that accordingly, and you're good to go.
So there's a scheduling timer built into actually the programming to manage your network capabilities.
Yep, exactly. So it's a very easy way to go ahead and essentially just manage and prioritize your network programs.
Now, JJ, does this only work off the Intel controller? Does this work off other controllers as well?
It will work on, let's say, our deluxe board with both the Realtek controller and the Intel controller, but the rest of their boards essentially only have a single NIC, so it's limited to working with that Intel controller.
Okay.
So that gives us a little bit of a perspective on the network iControl.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much. I'm sure users are going to have a good time experimenting with this. Another day, another Techtorial video here at Motherboards.org with, once again, Mr. ROG.
I'm sorry, I don't know what, it just...
Techtorial.
I'm sorry, boss, I'm sorry.
You like that word? I like my words. Techtorial.
I don't know, it's just a combination.
That's an word.
I'm sorry. All right, I'm cool.
Hey, welcome.
Think ninja mode like this.
Ninja. For another day of some Techtorial goodness. Come on, guys, we're laughing. I like that word. Bueno.
You pick once, we're ready for it.